Thank you for checking out this video on assembling the G0733 18 by 47 inch wood lathe. Here I'll take you step by step through the assembly process so you can safely set up your lathe and get ready for operation. To start, move your lathe's shipping crate close to the final working location of the machine, and be sure to refer to your owner's manual for detailed minimum clearance specs. Remove the shipping crate top and sides as well as any small items inside to help access the shipping brackets holding each leg in position. Remove the shipping brackets, being careful to support each leg so it does not damage the other components inside. Position both legs approximately 57 3/4 inches apart, inside to inside, and get each reasonably aligned. Now this lathe is heavy duty, so with the help of at least 2 assistants or powerlifting equipment, carefully lift the lathe onto the stand legs and align it with the mounting holes. Before lifting, evenly distribute the weight of the lathe by positioning the headstock as centered on the bed as possible, and be sure your assistants maintain control of the lathe while attaching the lathe to the legs. Secure the lathe to the stand legs with the 8 provided cap screws and lock washers. If you plan to permanently bolt the lathe to the floor, feel free to skip to the next step and refer to the mounting section of your owner's manual for more information. If you plan to use the included adjustable feet, have an assistant lift one end of the lathe bed and place a block beneath the stand leg. Install both adjustable feet and do not tighten the hex nut just yet. Repeat the process on the other side, then place a level on the lathe bed and ensure it sits level side to side and front to back. Then tighten the hex nuts. Next, insert the tool rest base into the bed by removing the T-mount and lock nut and inserting it through the channel. Connect the T-mount and tighten the lock nut until it applies enough pressure to allow the tool rest to move when free, but able to lock down as well. Adjust as needed. Insert the tool rest into the tool rest base and secure it in place. Attach the storage basket bracket to the stand leg. Then mount the basket in place with the provided hardware. And finally, attach the hand wheel handle to the tailstock. You're now ready for the test run and years of dependable service from your G0733 wood lathe. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out grizzly.com for any accessories you might need for future projects.